In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC Error 401 unauthorized issue step by step. This is a very common problem, especially if you're trying to download subtitles using VLSub or another subtitle extension inside VLC Media Player. The error usually appears when VLC can't authenticate properly with subtitle services like Open Subtitles, and the good news is that it's very easy to fix once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can get your subtitles working again in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version of VLC, because older versions can sometimes cause additional issues with extensions. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar and click on View. From the drop-down menu, select VLSub, or whichever subtitle extension you're using that's showing the 401 unauthorized error. This will open the VLSub window on top of VLC. Now that the VLSub window is open, the next step is to access its configuration settings. Inside the VLSub window, look for a button or option labeled Show Config. Click on Show Config, and this will expand the configuration panel where you can manage login and service-related settings. This is where the problem usually comes from, because subtitle services now require valid login credentials to allow downloads. Once you're in the configuration section, you'll see fields for a username and password. This is where you need to enter your login details for the subtitle service you're trying to use, most commonly Open Subtitles. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one on the Open Subtitles website first. Make sure you use the correct username and password, and double-check for any typos, because even a small mistake can cause the 401 unauthorized error to continue showing up. After entering your login details, take a moment to review the rest of the settings to make sure everything looks correct. In most cases, you won't need to change anything else. Once you're confident the information is correct, click the Save button in the VLSub configuration window. Saving is important because if you close the window without saving, VLC won't remember your login details. Next, completely close VLC Media Player. Don't just close the video, make sure the entire application is shut down. This step is important because VLC needs to restart in order to apply the new configuration settings properly. Once VLC is fully closed, reopen it just like you normally would. After restarting VLC, open a video file and go back to the View menu, then open VLSub again. Try searching for subtitles the same way you did before. In most cases, the 401 unauthorized error will now be gone, and VLC will successfully connect to the subtitle service and download subtitles without any issues. If you're still seeing the error after following these steps, double-check that your login credentials are correct and that your account on the subtitle service is active. You may also want to update VLC to the latest version, or reinstall the VLSub extension if it's outdated. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the VLC Error 401 unauthorized issue and restored subtitle downloads in VLC Media Player. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and simple software tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.